Okay guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be doing melted chocolate over chocolate. So what we're going to do, let's go ahead and take the default cube right here and we'll work with this. First and foremost, let's change our render engine to cycles. So yeah, we'll take our default cube right here, we'll go to edit mode. I'm just going to go ahead, stretch this out, and then let's take the top face right here, we'll go for G, bring this down. Let's go E for extrude, S for scale, give it a nice little bevel just on the side right here, and then we're going to go E for extrude, and then S for scale, so we've got like a nice little piece. E for extrude, give it that nice little bevel just in the middle right there, and then we'll go E for extrude and just kind of bring this down just ever so slightly, so we've got that nice little curve of a chocolate piece. So let's go with right click shade smooth. We'll go to materials tab and we'll change this to a nice kind of chocolate. You could have different ones. You could like, I don't know. I'm thinking like white chocolate this time. You know, we did dark chocolate last time. Maybe we could do white chocolate. Yeah, it's kind of like an off kind of cream. So, I mean, you could do different ones if you wanted to. To be honest with you, we could do a variety. Let's see. You're gonna want that slight metallic to look like it's melting slightly. But then also you kind of want to take it down a notch. And what I'm going to do as well, let's go to shading tab real quick. And I'm going to add kind of like a noise texture just over the top of it, just subtly. Let's go with noise. You want to go color into metallic, I believe it is. Actually, no, let's go color into roughness. And I'm just going to go ahead and just scale this up just ever so slightly so we have a nice little texture to it, but it's subtle. So we're going to call this the white chocolate piece. Let's go to layout real quick. Let's go Shift D. We could go ahead and rotate this just slightly, so you want the two pieces to sit on top of each other. Just as such. Let's just put that up just a little bit more. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so once we've got this one, let's go ahead and change the texture. So let's go back to shading tab. We have, oops. We have the white chocolate one here. Let's go ahead and just do new material. So we should have white chocolate 001. We want to go dark chocolate for this one. So we're going to change the base color to more of a dark tone. Just like that. I mean, you could have something just along there, I guess. And then we could go ahead and take the white chocolate one. Let's go to layouts real quick. So you could have something like that. I guess you guys have more time to kind of edit things and make things look a little bit more melty. If you want to do that, you could go modifiers and go with smooth. Let's try smooth. Yeah, so you can kind of like just kind of smooth that out a little bit. So the different sizes. And then we can go Shift D, move this one up, and kind of rotate this. Let's see. Yeah, I kind of like that, but I don't like the way that it's set out. I don't like the composition. We could have something like this. Let's set these two. Just press G, bring them up. Let's go with add, and I'm going to add a plane. Maybe make that kind of like a baby blue or something. Let's go to materials tab. Yeah, maybe about there. And what I'm going to do, let's go to shading. I'm going to put a Veroni texture on this. So let's go add texture Veroni. And then we'll go color to roughness. Should work. Or maybe we could go colour to metallic. Okay, yeah, colour to metallic works pretty well. Let's scale this up. So we've kind of got that nice little background going on.